Hey traders, this is Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful day. The markets are flat as a pancake as we await Trump's decision in regards to Iran. But one of the advantages of being a member and having the gold on steroid software is that we often have additional technology. I'm always looking for, AI and updated software which can help us make better decisions and make more profits. It's always nice to have that option, isn't it? So if you've purchased the gold on steroids software in the last 12 months, then you get free updates and upgrades and so on and so forth. So this is an update. So if you are trading gold or anything actually, because this works on any time frame on any asset, and I'll show you what I mean in the next few minutes. So this is a signal service and special, I've been working on this for a long time, and this is going to be part of the PineScript software. So if this looks good to you, then great, come on board. If it looks good for you and you're still trading gold, then come on board and let me know. So here it is. Fairly self-explanatory. It rather works like a Bollinger Band, but actually better. So let's just highlight a couple of points which you're probably aware of already. We have these demand areas with buy power 83. We have a sell power 67. Happy days. They are your targets if you use them as targets. And they are positions where you can get into and trade with very high probability, which is what we're looking for. Now, sometimes the price does not come down into this area as often as we'd like it to on this 5-minute chart as an example. So we can have what we call continuation patterns within it using this piece of software. And as you can see, we have these areas which tell us that the price is going to go down. We have this areas here where the price is going to tell us that it's going to go up. This area here, this is perfect actually, isn't it? This is the extreme into a sell power of 67 with divergence. We often talk about that. And the signal is not lagging. See how that price there comes into that area and then gives way. So there's another one there. See that there? So the price come up. We can check and verify this. So we can actually say down on this supply zone. We can verify it by having the price cycle next to it, can't we? So we have this here. So as the price comes up, we can say, is it high? Yes, it is. Is it low? Yes, it is. And there's another opportunity there, if you can see that. As the price comes back down and becomes oversold, and look at the buy signal there. So even if you miss that early London open, then the swing low to the bottom of the channel, and the price rallies up to your target, which is supply. So a fantastic system of getting regular signals on your desktop, on your phone. Again, special settings. But let me show you, let's say, the euro yen as an example. This is a 4-hour chart, so similar, exactly the same kind of signals you're looking for. A down signal, price goes down. An up signal, price goes up. Now, if you're a day trader, I'll wind this down to the 15-minute chart. Now, we've got the same settings, haven't we? We've got a sell power here, 58, and we've got a buy power of very strong 92, very, very high. You won't see many numbers higher than that. And 1, 2, 3 opportunities to get into that. So that's a really good opportunity. And again, we can use a price cycle in the same way as the gold on steroids. So the system can be used across the board on all assets on any time scale. Let me wind down to the 15-minute chart. We can see how this works here for you. So we can see quite clearly We have a buy power of 87, so that's a nice position to get in. Asian session, of course. If you miss that, that's fine. Just wait for the pullback. It will happen. Triple top, pullback, and then you have a beautiful, beautiful buy signal, and the price goes up. So if you are looking to sell something, you're just waiting for the down signal, and looking to buy something, you're looking for the up signal. Contact me if you want to get the gold on steroids system with PineScript. I'll get that organized for you. If you already have it and you're within your 12 months support and coaching, I'm happy to get you uploaded within a few hours.